We bought this house about 8 months ago and we're finally done. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,300 square feet. And when we bought it, there were already things we really loved about it. This huge oak tree, the brick, the street, and the neighborhood. The house just needed some love. Inside is where we really changed everything. This whole space used to be much more closed off. We added this big engineered beam and opened up the kitchen, dining, and living room into one big space. And I think this was probably the biggest change we made. There's so much more light and the house just feels much larger. And when I say we redid the house, we really redid the house. We took the interior down to the studs, new insulation, all new windows and sliding doors, new interior doors, all new plumbing, electrical, a new electrical panel, and EV charging. A lot of what we spent time and money on, you'll actually never see. But that's kind of the point. We wanted to do it the right way, not just make it look new. And everything was done with permits. And then, of course, we wanted the things you do see to feel just as thought out. We redid the kitchen, enlarged and rebuilt both bathrooms, converted the fireplace to electric, and added an actual enclosed laundry room. There were a lot of decisions along the way, but I think they all came together really well. And this is probably one of my favorite parts. We wanted the backyard to feel like an extension of the house, so we added these big sliders and brought the pavers all the way out here. Now you can open everything up, and the living space just kind of feels continuous from the inside to out. And you still have a really generous backyard to work with. Outside, we cleaned up all of the landscaping, put in new sod in the front and back, and added a new irrigation system. We kept it pretty simple, fresh, clean, and something that's really easy to take care of. And then you've got Westgate right around the corner. There's a nice little cut through from the neighborhood so you can walk right over to Trader Joe's, Target, restaurants, and coffee. But when you're here, it still feels like a neighborhood. It's a great street, the neighbors are wonderful, and that's a big part of what we liked about the house from the very beginning. So yeah, 8 months later, we're finally done. We kept the things we loved, changed the things that didn't work, and put a lot of time and effort into the things you'll probably never see. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. If you want to come see it for yourself, give me a call and we'll set up a private showing.